I've been recommended to try Korean barbecue so many times, but I never paid much attention to it until now, and wow, this is a life-changing event. This was just delicious.
You might already know about my love-hate relationship with ribs, but this is out of this world. Tteok Galbi is a completely unique and amazing way of cooking ribs in the Korean barbecue style. Don't believe me? Check it out.
Tteok Galbi is a very Korean dish that I'm sure many of you never heard about before, but if you ever get to try it, it is something that you will never forget.
The entire dish is based on short ribs. Yes, the affordable ones that they sell everywhere.
All these ribs I have here only cost me $12.
I selected these ribs because of the amount of meat they have and also the way the bone is cut.
These short ribs are cut in the English style, as the meat is left on top of only one bone and not like the flanking short ribs that are cut thinner and through several bones. Now getting into the recipe, the main idea is to cut and mince the meat on the bone as much as possible without removing it from the bone itself.
Remember the video I told you that bones don't make any difference on the steaks? Well, here we go.
I will cut and mince the meat as much as I can, but don't worry, this is the part that takes the most work, the rest is easy. Once all the meat is well minced, it is time for the sauce. And for that, get a bowl ready and add the following: 6 garlic cloves, 1 white onion, green onion as much as you want, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, freshly ground black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix well and get it ready for the ribs. And if you are not able to take notes right now, don't worry, I'm leaving everything in the description of the video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't miss the opportunity and go for it. And if you like this video, don't forget to whack that like button. And back on the ribs, I will place them in a pan and set the sauce on top. Mix the sauce as much as you can with the meat of the ribs, and from there we will go to the grill. And if you don't have a grill handy or it's too cold outside, you can use your oven as well. Just heat it up before setting your ribs to cook. With the grill ready, I will add some wood to it so we can get those amazing wood flavors and set the ribs to cook in an indirect heat.
But of course, if you're making this recipe in your oven, you shouldn't use wood, okay?
These short ribs will be cooked at 350 degrees until they are done. The entire process should take about 1 hour. After about 10 minutes, I will take them out and remove some of the juices from it so it can cook as dry as possible. But please don't throw the juices away. They can be used in many other things. Meantime, you can prepare some side dishes to go with the main dish. In this case, I'm preparing some lettuce, kimchi, onions, pickled vegetables, and I'm gonna grill some lettuce to make it really good. And after 1 hour total time, I will check the ribs and make sure they are cooked all the way through before taking them out.
Well, Miss Ninja, I got something here for you that I'm pretty sure you never tried.
Let me tell you something. The aroma.
It looks amazing.
No,
guys.
but the aroma, it's amazing.
Oh man, it looks so delicious. We have this new recipe which I really like.
I love it.
It's simple, it's not complicated at all. But if you go to a restaurant and try to buy it, it's super expensive. And it's really simple to make at home. So Miss Ninja, I know you never tried.
Nope.
I want you to give it a try.
I will.
And tell me what do you think about it. You get a one of those lettuce over there.
Okay.
And then you put your meat, and then you put a little bit of kimchi or a little bit of vegetables, or you know, any other thing that you might have. For example, we have onions here. So whatever you want to add, and a little bit of lemon.
Can I try by itself or no? I have to put it in the lettuce.
Well, you can try by yourself, yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, the good thing is if you try it that way.
Gotcha. But it looks gorgeous, and the aroma is like wow.
You want to try it by yourself?
Yes, I want to try it first by itself.
Get this one and give it a bite.
This one here.
Get the whole thing, yeah, the little one.
Mmm.
Just get a little piece.
This is amazing. Oh, it has a little bone in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a rib cake.
Gotcha. Mmm.
How do you like it? You know what? Let me try it too. You left a little bit in here, so.
Yeah. Oh my God. Ninja. 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 Ninja.
Wow. Falling off the bone.
You nailed it.
Sorry, man. This thing is amazing. I have so many green onions all over the place in my mouth. But you know what? Let's build one. All right. Make a little piece of lettuce here.
I mean, what one right here?
You make like a little bit of
Like a little cone.
Yeah. And you got some of the meat.
Okay.
Just grab some of these.
Oh, okay. You take it off the bone.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Put it in here. You get your kimchi and stuff.
Gotcha.
Kimchi is awesome, guys.
Is it?
Kimchi is amazing.
Let's try because I mean.
You never tried kimchi before?
No, I'm not. Never been like appealed to me. Let me take a piece out of here because this one is huge.
And now let's go for it.
Wow.
How do you like it?
I love it.
This kimchi is amazing.
Love it. You know what I love about it? The combination of the sweet, the sour, spicy, smoke. I mean, Ninja, this is good.
Well, guys, Miss Ninja tried this thing, and I don't have any other way to put it, man. We will have to give it a delicious, brother
and sisters.
Man, this thing was good. What happened? You got scared?
You scared
Oh, the Miss Ninja is getting scared of the delicious? What's wrong with you? That shouldn't happen.
He caught me off guard.
Guys, remember that we have an amazing giveaway going on right now. It's from Judge Premium Meat, and he's giving away a full box of you guys, amazing stuff. We have them all in there: tomahawk, ribeye, New York, filet, and even burgers, man. Wagyu burgers, and we have some amazing churrasco too.
Yeah.
All you have to do is go to my website and subscribe to the newsletters. I guarantee you're not gonna receive any Nigerian princess emails or anything like that. And I'm leaving Josh's information here so you can go to his Instagram or his website and check the prices because that guy has good prices.
He's killing it.
And now let me ask you, did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos with your social network because that helps us a lot. If you have any comment, if you tried this thing before, if you ever want to try it, put it down in the comments. Let's argue about this for a month because this thing deserves it, man. This thing is good.
It is.
That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.